Rain falls on an abandoned school. Liang raises his flickering light. Something is already waiting.
The gate slams shut. May drips her charm. A school bell rings. Without power, they step inside the dark hallway. Water drips. Footsteps follow them. Liang turns back. The hallway is empty. The footsteps do not stop. A classroom door shakes violently. Scratches tear across the wood. Then, nothing. Red lights flash. The bell screams. A warning appears. Do not look back. Liang looks back. The hallway stretches forever. The exit is gone. May runs. Her charm begins to glow. The darkness chases them. The charm burns bright. The bell falls silent. An exit appears. They step into silence. The rain stops.
Level 1 cleared.
Level 1 cleared.